Yo soy Carla y el día de hoy vamos a seguir el tutorial de Barbie. Sí, es el tutorial de Halloween de Barbie. Así que bueno, comencemos. Bueno, vamos a comenzar.
Hey guys, so I've been thinking about what I want to do for Halloween this year, and I've been wanting to do something that's really special, something that really inspires me. So I've decided I'm going to be a deer. Yay! I don't know if you know this, but deer have great power, determination, and grace. I love that. They're sensitive and intuitive. Oh, and they have the magical ability to grow their antlers back every year. There's a lot to love about deer. Okay, here's how I'm going to do my deer makeup. I like to start with a light foundation all over my face to even out the color. Then I use a white foundation stick or makeup. I put triangles.
Bueno, ahora lo que voy a hacer es usar una base blanca. Con un polvito blanco para que dure más. Sí. Y vamos a seguir con el tutorial.
Then blend it in. I like to then put a shimmery white eye makeup. Bit around my forehead and a little bit under the lower lip.
Ok, ahora va el contorno. Para eso voy a estar utilizando este polvo.
Then blend it in. And now, the eyes. You want to elongate the inner corner of the eye. Work from the inside of the eye out. Add mascara, and voila! Beautiful doe eyes. Now use a small brush. Fill in your eyebrows. Don't be afraid to make them stand out. Then take the brush and powder and extend down from the eyebrows along the top of the nose down to the tip.
Y vamos a delinear esto con la pinturita negra. ¿Sí?
And the final touch, I put white dots on my cheeks and above my eyes. Oh, wait, I can't be a deer without powerful antlers. So I attached long twigs to hairbands. And ta-da! Happy Halloween! Peace!
Así quedó. Afuera de la cámara hay unos detallitos. Sí, pero no sé qué opinan. Sí, recuerden darle like, suscribirse en el botón de suscribirse, activar la campanita para que les llegue una notificación cada que yo suba un nuevo video. Sí, recuerden seguirme con mis redes sociales y compartir con sus amigos. Yo te mando un beso gigante. Bye.